And the shooting of an APD officer raises the question, should all officers be given partners? Why the union says it's just not going to happen. Good afternoon. Today, that car thief accused of ambushing a police officer faced a judge and found out it will be a lot harder to get out of jail this time. His attorney also made a surprising statement in the courtroom. News 13's Cole Miller is live at APD headquarters with that and with what the police union is saying about keeping something like this from happening again. Cole.
Well, good evening, Kim. After the judge doubled Cook's bond, Cook's attorney had something to say. He's accusing APD of roughing up his client. Christopher Cook, the man police say shot DWI officer Lou Golson, has traded in his street clothes
and for Christopher Cook
for a familiar look, an MDC jumpsuit with a heavy presence around him. Police say Cook opened fire on Golson early Saturday morning near San Mateo and Montgomery during a traffic stop, hitting him 3 times. Golson fired back before Cook took off running. That run ended yesterday when 2 Bernalillo County Sheriff's deputies found him walking around in the North Valley. In court today, his bond, which was set at $250,000 cash or surety, went up.
We'll set bond at $500,000 cash or surety.
His attorney, though, had something to say about his arrest and what happened afterwards.
There were allegations that they wrapped him in a blanket, took him into a room and beat him up while he was at the police department.
APD says that simply isn't the case, and the police union is also weighing in on the arrest.
We all have a sigh of relief to know that he's in custody.
That said, Sean Willoughby, the union's vice president, says not much will change in the wake of the shooting.
I think that officers are extra vigilant all the time.
And they're prepared for the worst.
They're trained that these things happen out of thin air with very little warning.
But there is a problem.
There are not enough officers on these streets. We have a manning crisis that is prevalent in every aspect of this department.
Willoughby says if there ever was a threat and officers needed to partner up, it couldn't happen.
I think 2-man units are a long ways away.
And as of now, APD tells us there are 935 officers with the department. The department, Kim, is funded for 1,000 officers. Back to you.
Okay, thanks, Cole. Now, as for the claim that police beat up Cook, an APD spokeswoman says not only is that, quote, utterly false, she says officers actually brought a meal to Cook because he hadn't eaten for days.